Hey guys, this is just a really quick video. Just wanting to show the mess, because I do have a portable wash machine and my fifth wheel washer, and I just wanted to show you guys with my hair combined and the lint that comes from the portable wash machine, letting it drain down my fifth wheel tub. It has clogged my tub. So I went to Walmart and I got this brain rooter, and this was only $1. This drain tool, I got this 18-inch drain tool just to stick down there, and it was only $1 from Walmart. If it's on Amazon, I'll link a link down below too, but this has been a lifesaver because I got all of this out, which is my hair, which is disgusting, guys. This is disgusting, all of this stuff, and I'm still trying to get more of it out. I should have showed you guys how plugged up my tub was, but my tub was draining very slowly. I'm not sure how slow it's going to be draining now. It still feels like there's more in there. I can try to see if I can get more, but I feel like I probably need to get some drain solution now to help break up the rest of the items. But as you guys can see, crap, I just had some. Sorry if the camera's moving a lot, guys. It's falling off. I need to take, it's not big enough anymore, but as you guys can see, I'm still getting some. Okay, so yeah guys, this is just a really quick fix to fix the drain. I should have showed you how slow it was draining before, but trust me, this little tool from Walmart really works. Let me turn off my washer. I'm washing cloth diapers. Will this work for a house drain? I'm not sure if it will work for a house drain, but I know if you live in a fifth wheel, you wash your hair, and if you have a portable washer machine, you'll probably want to put a screen over the little drain, over the hole, so that you're not getting all the residue falling down in your drain. So just to kind of clear it up, I really don't like using chemicals down the drain. So to try to clear it up a little bit more, like with the grease, to try to break it down is what I mean, I'm going to use a water boiler or water kennel, and I'm going to just pour boiling hot water straight down the drain. And you guys, before, this would have been filled up. Like, the tub was not even allowing me to drain it like this. So this is already way better, and I can already see that pouring this hot water down this drain has cleaned up the walls of the piping that I can see. So I'm going to just continue to pour this down the drain. I'm going to run in some hot water. Okay guys, so I just ran the shower and I ran the water out the faucet, and it's going down all the way, no problems. It's not getting clogged. My problem was, even when I took a shower, it was getting clogged. Like, I had the plug in there. So as you guys can see, it actually goes all the way down, and you can see all the stuff that I pulled out of the drain. Sorry I didn't show you guys it stopped up, but if you live in a motorhome, that little tool really works. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.